Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Sharissa Putri. I'm from class CBID. I am Metro. I will explain about language and the brain. Language and the brain are intricately related, and in order to gain a deeper understanding of psycholinguistics, we must examine this relationship. Language is a function of the structure of the human brain, and several brain regions have been identified with linguistic capabilities. What is the relationship between language and the brain? Certain parts of the brain are responsible for understanding words and sentences. These brain areas are mainly located in two regions in the left side of the brain and are connected by nerves. Together, these brain regions and their connection form a network that provides the hardware for language in the brain. What is the brain's role in the language? Language in the brain research has identified two primary language centers, which are both located on the left side of the brain. These are broadcast area tasked with directing the process that lead to speech utterance, and Wernicke's area, whose main role is to decode speech. How is language related to psycholinguistics? Psycholinguistics has provided numerous theories that explain how a person acquires a language, produces and perceives both spoken and written language. Psycholinguistics approach views learning as a cognitive individual process happening within the individual and then moves to the social dimension. How does language affect the brain? Studies show that learning a language increases the volume and density of brain matter, the volume of blood matter and brain connectivity. In older language learners, some studies show cognitive benefits beyond language, such as for working memory. While language is important in learning, the many cognitive benefits of learning language are undeniable. People who speak more than one language have improved memory, problem solving, and critical thinking skill, enhanced concentration, ability to multitask, and better listening skill. What is the brain made of? Brains are made of soft tissue, which includes gray and wet matter containing the nerve cell, non-neuronal cells, which help to maintain neurons and brain health, and small blood vessels. They have a high water content as well as a large amount, nearly 60% of fat.